Yeah, man. Y'all listen up, man. I talked to Smoothie, we was trying to get some understanding. How we always reach for stars, but we never landed. It's crazy how they steal from you when you open-handed. Do anything for anybody, you ain't have to ask it. I told him I'm applying pressure, but I don't smoke no more. Moved away from the hood, but I'm still on the road. And when you on the road, boy, you know how it go. You get more love away from home, and that you already know. Hey. But that's in the Bible too. Jesus spoke about their prophet in Matthew, Mark, and Luke. The prophet wasn't welcome in his hometown. They was looking down. Don't they got a familiar sound? But I'm just trying to spread the good news. They paint the picture like I'm trying to get views on YouTube. But before they label me, I refuse to be a victim of being used like a doormat. Them days over with, scrap. Don't get me lying. As long as we on the earth, the devil gon' keep trying. The weapon can form, but they will never get locked in. Gotta shield the faith out of this world, so I'm blocked in. Yeah. I'm blind to the hate, but that don't mean I get the message. I'm all about the peace. My favorite gun is Smith & Wesson. And let that be a lesson. If things get hectic, I got more than a few scripts about how I'm protected. No, y'all.